The woman was horrified to discover that her husband had turned into a fly. A few days earlier, the man had been killed by a local tycoon. After his death, his soul flew out and entered a fly egg. After 3 days of incubation, he was finally reborn. However, since he was now just a fly, he was unable to take revenge on his own, so he hurried home to seek his wife's help. At that moment, Lisa was holding her husband's belongings and crying. A tear fell from her eye onto the table. The fly saw this and quickly flew over, then used its legs to pick up the tear and write a few words. Lisa was instantly shocked by what she saw. The words the fly had written were the name of her deceased husband. To verify her guess, Lisa tried to ask the fly if it was her husband. The fly began to nod frantically. Lisa then asked how her husband had died. The fly looked around and then fixed its gaze on the newspaper with the wealthy man's photo. The fly then flew to the paint bucket next to it and drew a red line on the wealthy man's photo with its foot. Lisa finally realized that the wealthy man had killed her husband. She then resolved to avenge her husband. To strengthen the fly's body, Lisa made a treadmill for it using a cassette tape case and used the filament of a light bulb to train its arm strength. When the fly found the wealthy man and was ready to take revenge, the wealthy man pulled out a bottle of insecticide and sprayed the fly unconscious. To protect the fly from the insecticide, Lisa made a gas mask for it and installed iron hooks on its hands. After a period of arduous training, the fly finally developed powerful abilities. From then on, wherever the wealthy man went, he was ambushed by the fly. The wealthy man was furious and purchased a special insecticide granule to poison the fly. However, the fly wasn't falling for his trick. The fly then flew to the wealthy man's cup and forcefully threw the insecticide granules inside. When the wealthy man picked up the cup and took a few sips of tea, he suddenly noticed something was off. When he examined the cup, he discovered the bottom was covered in insecticide granules. The wealthy man rushed to the sink and began vomiting. The fly, seeing this, danced joyfully nearby.